We're in the midst of a scorching heatwave that's left France reeling, with temperatures soaring to record highs and cities shutting down. But as the country struggles to cope, a debate is raging. Will this be the heatwave that finally changes French minds on air conditioning? Environment Minister Monique Barbut is adamant it should not be, calling the idea horrified despite the pleas of those suffering in sweltering schools, hospitals, and care homes. The rest of the world looks on, perplexed by France's reluctance to adopt AC, a technology that's been widespread for decades. But with the heatwave showing no signs of abating, it's an issue that's only going to get hotter, and France's stance on air conditioning is set to be a defining moment in the country's battle against the climate crisis.